Hey guys, so here's a project I've been sitting on for a couple months. I've been wanting to do a new keyless entry for my Prius. The one I have is based on an RF24, NRF24L01, which requires me to carry a control with me at all times, and I don't want to do that anymore. I want to use my phone as a way, my phone or my watch, as a way to get into the car without having the key or to unlock the trunk. So my initial testing was with the HM11. It doesn't support it. It doesn't support the functionality I want to do. This one does not support it either, but I can write the firmware for this one. It should be an easy process, and I can add the functionality I want or the functionality I wish this one had, including the AT commands I wish this one had as well. So I took the cap off. It's actually this little processor. I believe it's the EMB 106 something. Hold on. It's the EMB 1061, this guy here. And the processor is developed or manufactured by ST. And unfortunately, their development environments, do not support their own processor for some reason. So I went and did a search to see if anyone was doing development on this process and what their experience were. And I didn't find anything except for this guy here. He has a working unit that he managed to get it to work in Visual Studio Code, which is the one I'm going to use as well. So I'm going to be using the template he's providing as a starting point. Um, So if you want to follow this project, you can download this template. I'll include the link on the description. And obviously you will need a development board. So he sells this ones for 550, which is also inexpensive. And obviously me like wanting to do my own thing always when I'm capable, obviously, not always. I went and did my own board. So I will upload this as well. If you don't want to go through the process of creating this, obviously creating a board is about 5 hours or so. It depends on how much detail you want to add to it. It could be 2 hours if you don't care about, a crappy result. But I have my own boards already ready to go, so I can start development tomorrow. And like always, I do a batch of 4, and two are just extras that I never use. So if you want to follow this project and do a keyless entry system for your car, obviously it can be applied to any car. Uh, Go download the projects or go buy a board from the guy. I'll include the link to his channel and the place where he sells the boards in the description for you guys to download. And I should have the first video either tomorrow night or before the end of the week, but it should be a fast process just to write the firmware for this. Once the firmware is ready, then the project starts. But then, you do want to know how these things work. So until next video, enjoy.